Hello, my name is Darian, the creator of Checkout Plus, and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Shopify checkout with Trustpilot reviews or just regular reviews so that you can show that social proof to help boost your conversions and build trust with your customers so that they're more likely to check out or more comfortable checking out. Also, as a requirement to set this up, you are going to need the Checkout Plus app installed, as well as be on the Shopify Plus store plan. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to start off in the Shopify admin section or the dashboard, and you're going to want to open up the Checkout Plus app here. Once you have it open, you should have the home screen look something like this. And then you're going to want to scroll down to the checkout app blocks. So this is where you're going to add the checkout app blocks. So you're going to want to select get started. Once you select get started, it's going to take you automatically to the Shopify checkout editor where all of your other customizations already exist. You can see that I already have one here. Let's go ahead and add another one. So what you're going to want to do is figure out where you want to place this review block in your checkout. So you're going to click, scroll, and you're going to find Checkout Plus. Here's all of the blocks that the app offers, and you're going to want to find the benefits, reviews, and testimonials. So this block is not just for these reviews, but it can also be used for the testimonials as well as benefits. So if you scroll down here, or if I scroll down here, you can see another example of using like testimonials instead, or not testimonials, but benefits lists, like 2-day free shipping or money back guarantee, like that type of stuff. But in this example, we're going to do the Trustpilot reviews. So starting from the top down, here's all of these settings that you're going to have access to customize all of your reviews. Starting with the layout arrangement, the one you're going to want is the horizontal scrollable cards. These other ones, like I said, are used for other use cases. Go ahead and explore those if you want, like the creating a Q&A section. But in this example, we're going to do horizontal scrollable cards. And then we're going to want to start typing out how you want our reviews to look. We're going to first want to get a title. So let's say here is what people are saying about us. Once you do that, you can then find each section with the image and the section text and the section title. So that is going to be the image, the title, and then the text. So you come over here. First, you're going to want to get the image. So for the image, the fastest way that I like to do it is I like to go to the content section, and then go to files, and then upload the image that I want. And then there's a little copy link icon that happens when you hover over it. If you click copy, go back to the URL section and paste that in, it will give you that image that you want. And like I said, it doesn't have to be Trustpilot. You can do like something like the stars that I have here, and you can do that as well. So you can see that you can do stars instead of Trustpilot. And then as you fill it out, you're going to want to do whatever you want for the title of your first review. Best app ever. And then you're going to want to select some more text. Here is an example of reviews. And then you can see that it's kind of center aligned right now. Over here, right above, there's an option to align your text. So you can do center alignment. You can do start alignment, which moves it all to the left, which kind of gives it that good look like how I have down here. So after doing that, you can also, if you want to add like the person that said it or like the end quote, you can hold shift plus enter to add that new line. So shift enter, and then whatever we want to do, the Checkout Plus team. Right? And then once you do that, you're going to want to continue to copy that over to all of your, as many reviews as you want to show. And then after you've done that, you just hit save. Then once you saved it, you can go over here and select view and open that up, and let's see what it looks like. Here it is. Right now we only have two, but once you fully fill all of that out, you're going to have all of the Trustpilot reviews or regular reviews. If this video helped you and you want to see some of the other checkout customizations like the upsells or the payment icons that you saw in the video, go ahead and take a look at some of our other videos that we have on our channel. Thank you.